Okay, people, just gonna take this nice little cover off here so that we can clean the glass that is behind it, because this is where the front facing camera is. I've gotten a couple of errors that say, hey, you need to take this in and clean it. So I'm going to clean it here instead of taking it in, because it's 2.5 hours or 2 hours away to be able to get it cleaned. First thing, you need to have some tools. I have these nice little plastic tools that are a trim removal kit that I'm using, and also this T20 little drill bit. That's to be able to get the rear view off. We want to remove this portion. It's where the parking and hazard lights and all that stuff are located. Then the rear view mirror, then this cover, and we'll get into the nuts and bolts of everything. It just has clips that are on both sides, so you can remove those just like that. Technically, you're not supposed to let it hang down like this because it puts too much tension on that cable, but I'm just gonna leave it anyways. And then we remove this nice little plastic tab that is right here on the back, and you can just use a screwdriver just like that. And then the screw goes underneath there. There we go. Goes at a slight angle. Slightly rotate it. Comes out. There it goes. Has this nice little wire. I think it's a safety harness for it, but. And then we have the rest of this to be able to pull off. Now we need to get this guy removed. You can remove these clips, but I don't do it because there's no need to unplug them and replug them back in. So I just leave it there. But if you look off to the side here, there's this black tab. That is where this is sitting inside of that black tab. And there is one there, and another one on the back side here, and those need to be pressed in. So you just push it in like that. Same thing with this side. And then we are removed. There's a hook for the wire, leave that on there. And now this is all exposed, and now you can clean it. Okay, here's a very important thing. After you've cleaned and you're putting things away, up top here, there are little clips. What you want to do is you want to take these plastic tabs that are at the end there. You want to push it up at an angle. There are the plastic tabs. They'll lift it up like that, and it'll click into place. Make sure both sides are clipped into place. Ta-da! Like that. Now, here's another thing that I think is interesting. This part right there is supposed to have a plastic tab, and it looks like it was broken. I didn't break it. Somebody else must have broken it, which this got cleaned by Tesla a year ago. But either way, and then tuck this guy back behind here, and it's ready for the plastic cover to go on top. So that's in place. Shouldn't be movable. If it is movable, then you didn't do it correctly. Now we just take this guy, and it should all just close in there. That's interesting. What are those purple lights that are flashing? What? Are those occupant sensors? That's crazy. I think those are. Look at those purple lights. All right, now that that guy is secure, you can then take this part and put it in there too, over the top of it. Oh, it attaches with those white clips that are on the middle here. So these clips there and there insert into those two. So make sure that it's in deep enough. There we go. Now it's in there secure. Yep, not moving anywhere. Then you can put the rearview mirror in if you want. If not, that can just come out, but I'm gonna put it in. All right, good luck with your own project.